If your company uses a deposit return scheme or charges fees, such as admin or processing fees, against a product, you'll want to use the Unleashed Automatic Product Charge function. This video will show you how to enable the function and how it works. Your first step is to set up your non-diminishing product for the charges and connect it to an appropriate ledger account. Please note that you can set up only one charge linked to your non-diminishing product for charges. Next, you will need to enable the automatic product charge in your company settings. Do note that this setting is automatically turned off, but you can enable or disable it at any time without making changes to existing sales orders or automatic charges. Start typing in your automatic charge non-diminishing product in the search bar, or use the search function. Don't forget to hit save. Jump into the Sales tab on your product that you want to add an automatic charge to and set the value against this product here. This will be the amount charged when you add the product to a sales order. Now, when you create a sales order and add this product, the automatic charge will populate a charge line. Amending the quantity of the product in the order line will update the price in the charge line. If you were to invoice the sales order with the charge and complete the invoice, when you return to it and add another product with an automatic product charge, it will create a new charge to the uninvoiced products. Please note the following. You can create only one charge through a non-diminishing product per accounting book. You are only able to credit the total value of deposits from the original invoice, not per unit. And the charge is not included in sales quotes. Thanks for watching.